Hi friends! Today I'm going to be making Kashiwa Mochi for Japanese Children's Day. May 5th is Japanese Children's Day. We celebrate the day with Kashiwa Mochi, especially made for the day. Kashiwa leaves, the oak leaves, shows the family prosperity because the old leaves never fall off until the young leaves grows. That shows the never-ending family prosperity. I have already done a Kashiwa Mochi video before using a microwave oven, but today I will use a steamer to make it more authentically to make it delicious. And actually it is easier than the microwave. Put your rice flour, Mochi-ko, and sugar and mix to combine. Add warm water in 2 stages and mix to combine well. Drop the dough on a cheesecloth-lined bamboo steamer. Steam for 15 minutes on high heat. While cooking the mochi dough, divide the red bean paste into 8. Roll them into a ping pong ball. Traditionally, we use koshi-an, the skin-removed red bean paste, but I used sub-an, the skin-on red bean paste today. Set aside. Mix 1 teaspoon of potato starch and 1 teaspoon of water. What this does is create an easy-to-bite-through texture. Set aside. Soak oak leaves in water and set them aside until used. After 15 minutes, take out the dough onto your working surface and knead until it becomes a bouncy and even dough. Add potato starch solution in 2 stages. Keep kneading until it makes a bouncy and smooth dough. Be careful not to burn yourself. Use your fist to knead the dough to easy to work with. Always keep water beside you to cool your hand. Knead for a couple minutes and the dough looks like this. Make it into a cylinder and divide into 8. And shape into balls. Spread the dough by your hand and shape into oval. Set the water bowl beside you and moisten your hand occasionally. Place the red bean paste bowl in the center and fold. Pinch to seal. Place the mochi on a parchment-lined steamer and spray water and steam them on high heat for 5 to 6 minutes to cook through. Let's take a look at the mochi. There you have it. Let them cool using a fan. By doing this, the mochi has a seam on the surface. When you cool to touch but still warm, wrap in oak leaves, shake off the water. Bend side out. When you do it with the wrong side, it sticks to mochi and it's not easy to peel off. Oak leaves has a unique and pleasant fragrance and it makes the mochi so special. But unlike sakura leaves, it's not edible. And the leaf has an antibacterial effect, so the mochi lasts for the next day. But better freeze for longer days. We have a lot of varieties of mochi recipe, and this is not a kind of stretchy mochi like mochi ice cream, but it has a bouncy texture and it is so good. I hope you will give this recipe a try to find out how it tastes like. Thanks for watching.